Let's take a look at the chart action for Dogecoin. Alright, so I'm looking at this chart a little bit differently than I was before. I was using the wicks, and I was calculating pretty much the wicks as a channel. And right now I'm on something like this kind of. So it was more like a steady channel. But right now I'm on the 4-hour time frame, and I'm using the bodies of the candles instead of the wicks. And you can see that we have like a falling wedge going something like this. And so in a falling wedge, you would target the top of the wedge. So I'm not sure if we could either target up here or maybe up here. And the price targets for these would be somewhere around 0.571 and 0.72718, somewhere around there. So let's kind of see what happens there. We also have this 180 moving average, and this is on the 4-hour time frame again, and we have it coming in like this. So what I'm looking at right here, or what I'm wondering, is if we're going to get some resistance right at around 0.438. We're pretty much approaching it right now. So yeah, those are the kind of the levels that I'm watching at for resistance right now. We did get a nice breakout right here though, and we had declining volume throughout this time, and then we got a little bit of spike right here. It's not huge, but it is bigger than what we've been having right here in this previous time frame, all right here pretty much. So yeah, let's see what happens at this resistance, possible resistance should I say, if we're gonna just break through it, or if we're gonna get like rejected, and maybe we'll have to come back down and like kind of form some sort of trend line like that where we can kind of ride it up. But this looks pretty bullish in my opinion. And yeah, maybe we can target around 0.571 or 0.718. I mean, I don't know where it's going to stop, but in general, with the falling wedge, you can calculate pretty much the previous resistance or the tops of the wedges. So yeah, something like that, I would say. All right, if you guys are holding Doge, hit that thumbs up button.